Yeah, no.
Okay. So, a lot of things we have covered. Last time we talked about mathematics, I guess, right?
Hmm?
Had we talked about mathematics?
No, I think we did Envia.
And
No,
we
no.
are,
Wait, no, I forgot what we did last time. Wait, I think I. Wait, let me just check.
we did that worksheet as well, like the worksheet which was shared earlier. Some
We
questions
did
we have
math.
practiced. Yes, we practiced
We did.
the questions together.
Yep.
The doubt you were holding in those questions, and after that we talked about the concept of squares and cubes. Do you remember that?
Mhm.
Do you remember the concept of squares and cubes? We talked
Mm,
about it, and we
yeah.
also tried to find some of the cube roots and square roots of some problems. Hmm?
Mhm.
You remember that those concepts or not?
Yes.
Okay. So let me check.
Didn't we do square root and cube root?
We have done square root and cube root. Do you remember that?
I think yes.
Let me just ask you a question.
Take away with it so I can do it.
Wait, I'm just sharing whiteboard. I'll give you questions related to cube and cube roots and square roots, and you need to tell me like what would be the answer. Okay.
Can I have
So
the pen?
wait, let
Yeah.
me write the questions. Uh,
Can we not do cube root because I forgot what we for cube root?
I'm giving you the questions related to both. I'll just check your knowledge. So firstly, we'll be doing square root and then we'll be doing cube root. Okay.
Okay.
Or shall I give you both of the questions together and then you solve and then after that I'll help you. Is that okay?
Yeah, but that gives me pressure.
Hmm.
Well, but that's not going to happen in the test, though.
Okay.
One.
Yep. So find a square root. Okay.
Yeah.
Question number one. Hmm.
Oh, fine, square root. Okay.
6084. Okay. It would be like this if I need to write like this in such a way.
That's too big. Only 3 digits.
Why? You can't do this?
No, I can do this.
Is that okay?
Yeah. 6.
Um, and wait a moment.
Okay, can I start doing
Mm.
this or should I wait?
Yeah, you can start doing that.
Okay. Let's start. So, 2.
Hmm.
Uh, 17. 6. 1768 and 8 again. 2, 1, 4, 4, 2, 7, 2, 2, 3, 1. No, not 3, not 1. 3 means 2 times 6, meaning 6, meaning 12, meaning 6. 2, meaning 1. Even though I know this, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 2, meaning 9. 3, meaning 3. Should I stop there or should I do?
Now 3 is left, so that must also be divided. Yeah, you could.
Okay. Okay. What do I do? Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 3.
No.
6, 2,
Hmm.
2, 3. There we go.
So you
Right.
found that square that is 63, 23.
No, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 times 3. Rub. Oh my god. Rub. Um, no. Okay. Now you square root. 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 is the answer for the first one.
Good job. Yeah.
But can you make this a 3-digit, then do a 4-digit, then like you did here?
Okay. Till then
Next.
you can solve the second. Yeah.
After I've done all of these, I've got a question.
Hmm.
I think I'll do it in truth. Okay. 2 will be 5, 1, 2. 2 meaning 2. 1, 1, 11 meaning 5. No, 5? Yeah, 10. 1 carry 1, 12 meaning 6. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay. 1, 2, 4, 1, 6, 8. 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will be. Now what do I do? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we've got 24 for the first one. For the second one, I got 32. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Nice. Okay.
Now I'm just sliding it up.
Yeah. Cube width. 343. Okay. Wait, it's not divide. It's not able to be divided by 3.
I told you the rule. Always prime number. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, then 5, then
Yep.
7,
In
then
cube root, can I still use 2?
yeah, always use prime number. So if it is this would not be divisible by 2 because the last
Yeah.
digit ends with
It's
3.
not divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 5. So next year should be divisible by 7.
Yeah, go ahead.
I can try. 34 would be 35, so it would be 4. 28. So 63. Yeah. 9. And then 7. Then 7. 7, then 1. Wow.
Yeah,
So it's just this. So I've got 7, 7, 7. Pair. Left alone. So 7.
yeah.
I forgot how to draw it, but something like that. And then 7. 7 cube root 7 is the answer.
No, no. You forgot the concept. In cube root, we do not have a pair of 2. We have a pair of 3.
Oh,
So
the answer is 7.
yeah, 7 is the answer. Correct. That is the difference between square root and cube root, right?
Yeah,
Mhm.
I forgot about that. Okay, I will try with the biggest number on earth. What is the biggest number on earth?
How many digits?
Like the biggest number in the world.
We call it infinite, but we do not have actual number. Infinite, you know
Uh,
how to draw infinite?
yeah, isn't it infinity?
Infinity, yes.
What is that?
That is infinity, the symbol of infinity.
This.
Yeah.
What? Oh well, whatever. Okay, it's not divisible by 2, maybe 3. We may try. 3 and 3, 9. 12, 4, 1, 13. Nope, not divisible by that. Not divisible by 5. Maybe 7 again. 7, okay. 7, 3, 6, 6, 63, 9. Oh my god. I will try by 3 again because I feel like it's 3. Is it 3 or should I check out?
Not 3, not 5, not 7.
9.
9. How can it wait. How can it be divisible by 9 if it is not divisible by 3? Does it
Yeah,
make sense?
no.
9 is not a prime number. Hmm? You should always go with prime number. So what is the prime number after
9 is
7?
not a prime number.
9 is not.
7 is 11, 11, 11.
Yes, good.
Don't think 11 is the answer, but
But let's
1.
try.
Oh, it is, I think. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's
It's yes.
Oh my god.
It's
This is
yes.
very boring.
It's yes.
It is.
Yeah.
It's not. Wait, 1, meaning 23. So 22, 2, 1, 11. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
1. I know this. 1 and 1. 11. Done. And then 1.
Yes.
Oh, nice. The answer is 7 and 11.
Good job. Um, and I hope you already know this because we already discussed about it. What if I am talking about finding squares? Like if I give this number, mm, 2 to the power 2, this is called a square, right?
Yep.
For 3,
Um,
9, 12,
don't go further.
15.
Uh,
So up to how many squares you just remember?
I know 16, maybe 17, and 20.
Okay. Um, do you know there is a trick to find the squares which lasts at 5?
Yep.
What is that trick?
5 will say this, so 5 will go at the back,
Mm-hmm.
and then just add 2 and 2.
No,
Something like that. 5 stays at the back.
it would be multiplied with the number which is just before 5, that will be multiplied with the next number coming after it. So this would be multiplied with 2 and 1. So 2 1 ja 2, and at the end we'll be writing 25.
And how would you write? How would you figure out 25 square?
So we'll write 25 at the end, and here we will be going with the 2, and what is the next number?
3.
3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to what?
6.
6. So 2,
So that means that 35 would equal to 3, 5, and 1, 2.
yeah.
Oh,
In the same way, can you do this one?
which one?
This one.
Where? Oh, okay. 7, 5, 5, 6.
Why 7 5? Why have you written 7 5 here?
Because you said to copy the number on the back.
No, I said this would be 25. At the end, you will always write 25. Didn't understand. Okay, wait.
So at the end, it's always going to be 25.
Yeah, erase your thing. Understand once again. So this is 25. Always we will keep this data same because square of 5 is always 25. So this data would be same. In the case of 5, this trick applies only in the case of the
Oh,
number of squares which ends with 5, right?
right. Yep.
And
Uh-huh.
this part would be like the next number coming just after this number, the
Hmm.
625, right? Because
When I first understood it, I thought that you meant whatever number's here goes at the back. Because here, 5 went at the back,
no
and
no
50,
no no, it's not like
2,
that.
2. That's what I
Okay,
thought. But now I
so
understand, yeah.
what about this?
It would be 4, 2, 2,
Good job. Now what about this?
2, 2, 5. 5, 6, 2, 5.
Hmm.
1, 3, 2, 2, 5.
Mm-hmm. How did you solve this?
12 times 13 is 132.
Good job. You applied a trick multiplying this.
Yeah.
What trick?
No, I already know. I just know it.
You just know it.
Mhm.
Hmm. You can also do this like 13 1 ja 13 and 13 2 ja 26. That is wrong. Your data is wrong. 156. That would be the answer.
Oh. So what would be 13? Um,
You have done 11 into 12. That
yeah.
do you know this way of multiplication?
Which way?
The way which I have just done. This
Which way
is
it go?
easier for me. Do you know
No,
that?
no.
If you can understand it is better, otherwise it's okay. So I have done this like 13 1 ja.
Can you go on the new page? Because I don't really understand.
Okay,
Let's scroll down.
wait a moment. So I was talking about this 13 and 12. right?
Yep.
This is the number. So what I do is I just simply multiply this 12 with 1. Okay. So I
Yep.
have written 12. Okay. I can also do like 13 multiplied with 1. There is no problem. So
Yep.
this is tens value, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can consider here 0, but I do not go with this. I simply write it 12
Uh-huh.
and then I just multiply with 3. 12 threes I already know because I know the table of 12. That is
Where did you get three from?
12 threes, this 3,
Oh, okay.
and then 36. And I know this is the place of ones, so we can only hold one value here. So this
Uh-huh.
value will go here, this side. So this will
Which one?
become this value, this 3 would go here. So we'll just add this with this. So it would
Like
become
15.
156.
Yep.
So this is the first perspective I do, and
Okay,
another
so
perspective,
you can apply that formula to 65 times 34.
that can be done, but this is little difficult because I do not know table of 34, but I can try. 34 6 ja, so 3 6 ja 18 and 6 4s are 24. So 204. This is the thing I just multiplied, and
Mhm.
34 5s are. So this would be um 3 5s are 15 and 170. So this time two digits will be shifted this side. So it would become 2 1, sorry, it would become 2210.
Uh,
Let me check it. Just don't erase it. Don't erase it. Let me check the answer. So it would be 65 multiplied by 34. Yeah, the answer is correct.
I did not get how you did that.
Mm, this thing is called speed maths, I guess. When we had done demo, we were doing this, some of the things.
Yeah.
Okay, let us
Kind of
understand.
clever.
What?
Oh, can you give me a question, see if I can get it? Like an easy like this one.
Yeah. Firstly, let me make you understand both of the concept, whichever you like. Okay. So
I
this,
get both of them.
you got both of them?
Yeah,
Okay.
like I got this.
Do this one.
Um, so first you would do 14 times 1, which is 14. And then you would do 14 times 2, which is 28. And then you've got 28 there. Then you do 14 plus 2, which is 16. 168 in your answer.
Correct. How about this method? Can you do this with this method as well?
I don't know what that is.
That's why I told you to understand it. This is simply what like 20, 12 1 12, right?
Mhm.
12 multiplied with 1 is 12, right?
Yep.
But I know this is standing at the tens place value, right?
Uh-huh.
I hope you know place value. Do you know that?
Yeah.
So I actually multiplied it with 10. So I will put 10 because 10 holds 10, right?
Yeah.
And this is 12 threes are 36 because this stands at one's place value. So it would not hold any zero,
Yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
So I would simply now add it. This would be added in this 2 because this is standing at tens value. So tens place value would be added at tens place value as a digit. So
156.
156.
I get this method a bit less, but yeah, go
Actually,
ahead.
this method is modification of the same method. This is the root method. This is the modification to make it faster. If
Oh,
I go with this method, I can still solve the problem, but this is faster than this. But this is the concept lying within this
this
method.
is faster than this.
This one is faster for me.
I thought this was.
Yeah. For you, this one is faster?
No, yeah, but I don't get it, so this one is.
You did not get it. Wait. You will get it. There is no problem. So this is the thing. I just know this is 10 plus 3. Can I say this 13 can be written as 10 plus 3?
Yep. Partitioning.
And when I am multiplying it with 14, just understand it, what would happen? Firstly, this will be multiplied with this 10, 140,
Yep.
right? And then
140.
then
Mhm.
this would be multiplied with this 2 as well, right?
Yep.
So it would become what? 14 threes are 14 threes are. You know the table of 14? Prisha, are you there?
It just left me again.
So I was saying like 14 tens are 140 and 14 threes are 42, right?
Yep.
So I can simply add them. And I
Now
would
you.
not, yeah.
Oh.
And I listen to me. Here is also one trick. I would not add this directly into it. I would just, this is the tens value, place value, and this is the tens value, right?
Yep.
So
Answer
always,
is 182.
yeah. So this is the way we'll be doing. So
Yeah,
both
I
of the,
don't get this. This method is really slow.
yeah. So that's why I told you this is faster than that one. But the concept is this, and this is the modification of this method actually to do it mentally. So I prefer this.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Would you like to solve more questions like this?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to do it in both ways. First, the first way. 15 times 4 is 60.
Mm-hmm.
15 plus 6 is 21. That's the answer.
Mm-hmm.
310. Let's see what I get from the second method.
Why do you write this? There's no need to write this. Directly you can go. 15 10 ja,
Oh,
like
okay.
15
So
1
we've
ja,
got
and then 1 0 you
150.
can, yeah.
We've got 150 plus 15 times 4, which is 60. So our answer is 210.
Yeah.
Wow. So
Oh.
does if I just I have a question not about this, but something about math, obviously. So
Hmm.
you know how sometimes you have like I have a question where I have to do like 8 plus 3. Let's say I have to count that 8. I have to do 9, 10, 11. It doesn't just come up to me that it's 11. And then like 7 plus 5. Let's say I know this. It's 12. I know 8 plus 7, which is 15, and I know 8 plus 4, which is 12. That's the only three that I know perfectly. Oh, and 9 plus 8. These are the only ones that I perfectly know I can do it once as soon as I see it. This a bit less, but the rest I can just see it and do it.
I understood your problem. Let me help you with this. So suppose this is the problem. Okay, for one digit only.
I can't even
Begin.
do that. 7 plus 14. I can't do
Wait,
that either.
no problem. So this is the problem, suppose, right?
Yep, I can't do that. Yeah.
So what I need to do, understand my concept, how my brain functions. So I don't know what is the answer, and I don't want to count it because that would be
Yeah.
taking time.
Take it 8.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I would simply use my mind in this way that I want to go nearest zero. Either this is 10 or 100 or that is 1000. So if digit increases, it would just increase. It can also be 20, it can also be 200, 2000. So I would try to reach the value which is nearest zero. Did you understand that thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I guess this is easier to get nearest zero value because it would need only two, right?
Yep.
So I would give it two, like it would become 10, right?
Yep.
So if I have given two to this, how much is this now? It would be four, right? Do you understand that or not? I have
No.
given it plus 2 and then I have to subtract minus. I have to subtract 2 from here, this number. You did not understand. Once again.
So first, you have to get to the nearest. For 8, nearest is 10. Now
Hmm.
what do I do? Now
So
10, 6 is 16.
no, that is wrong because this is injustice with this number. If you are making it 10, it means you are adding 2 here, right?
Yep.
So if you are adding 2, where
Mhm.
will you get 2 from? So you can take 2 from this 6 only. So this is my concept. Take something and then sum up. Take something, balance it nearest 0 and then sum up. That is
So
the
14.
answer. Okay, one more problem if I give this like 7 plus um 9. Yeah,
16.
very good. I hope you understood this thing, right? Can you
But
solve more?
that to do that took me longer than me counting.
That's not longer than counting. Like you have just make it 10 by giving 1. This would go mentally. In the beginning, you may feel like you are writing it, but my brain will function like this. 9, okay, it needs 1. Okay, give it 1. 10, and then remove 1 from there. 10 plus 6, 16.
Mm.
So this would work
So
in this way.
if we're adding 9, then that's easy for one digit because you don't have to do 7, take away 1, and
Hmm.
that's 6, and then add a 1. That's
Hmm.
it. That
It
9
can
is
it
9.
can be done with any number. Like this number I have, for
Mm.
example, this is this. No, sorry, not 9. Remove it. So, for example, this is 7. So I know this needs only 3. So I will give 3 20, and then this would become
24.
4 24. So that's easy.
Mm-hmm.
Now 37 and then let's say 44. So this is easier to get near a 0, that is 40. So I'll give 3 to it, right? So
Yep.
this is 40 and 41. I simply know it. I do not need to do much because I know
Mm.
that 4 minus 3 is 1, right?
Yep. Okay, can you give me like these type of question, not these?
Mm, you
Like,
want to begin with one digit, right?
yeah. If I can't,
16.
if I can't do these, I can't do that.
Yeah, this one.
13. Already know it.
Hmm. Mm, yeah, this one.
No. 10, 11. Oh, that I counted. Because when I have a less number here, I just, my brain just thinks time to count.
No prob. So this is easier even in counting.
Yeah.
9 to 12. This would come with practice. But some numbers, they're like these type of number where you get stuck, that is long way to go. So in those things, those numbers you'll have problem. This one. Good.
15.
And this one. This one you already know, I guess, because 8 2 ja.
Yes.
This one.
I
Yeah.
already know that. Are you giving me all the ones I already know?
Hmm. So now that's all in this, I guess. Like these are easy. These are easy, so you can already do
6 and 5. Is
this
that 1
one.
and 5?
1 plus
Oh, that's
9.
6. That's easy. Yeah, that's 6.
1 plus 9.
10.
2 plus 9.
Okay, no, that's really easy.
3 plus 9. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 8. 7 plus 6. 3 plus 8.
9 to 11. See, that I have to count.
4 plus 7.
Uh, I forgot your method.
Just give it,
11.
yeah, give it 3 and then just this is easy. 13. In this case also, like give it 2 and
Yeah.
subtract 2 from this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now what about some big problems like 2 digits?
No.
23. Yeah, you can. This is easy. So
No,
this
that is
can be,
not.
Yeah, this is easy. This is 27. It can go near 30. How much does it need? Just check this
50.
value. Sorry,
50.
50, 50 is the answer. How did you do that?
Well, how you did it? Take away 3,
Hmm.
and then 20 plus 30.
Hmm. Before I told this method, was it that much easy for you?
No, I would either do this like that, or I
Hmm.
would take thousands of minutes to do 2 plus 2, which is 4. 3 plus
Hmm.
7 is 10.
Hmm.
So then, since this is 40, I have to add this to be 50.
Hmm. So now this is easier for you, right?
Kind of, yeah. Even
Okay.
though it's gonna take me a long time.
Some more problems. Hmm. Okay. Now, which one do you found like easier to go round off?
Find
This one or
one.
this one? How did you do this? Tell me the method.
6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 1 is 8. 80. So 80 plus 11, 8, 9, 91.
Mm, good job, but it can be much easier and faster than this one. Although it would not be noticed that how fast it is and how fast is that, because both
Yeah.
seems similar. What I would do, either I would go round of 20 or I would go round of 80. So this is my
I would go
task.
with 20.
Okay, no
Wait.
problem. So this is 20, then I would give 4 to it, and this is 20, and then minus 4 from here. So
So
this is 20.
71 plus 20.
Yeah.
91, yeah.
So
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
feel,
try your method.
yeah,
Yeah.
I feel this is faster than the method you used. This
Yeah.
is my perspective.
Mm-hmm.
It completely depends on you. Okay? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Turn on the camera.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
How about this? How about this?
Um, 64 plus 20, 84.
Good job. You did it.
To do my method, I need to know 6 plus 8, which will get me double, which I have to do.
Hmm. So which method do you find easier now?
If I can't multiply the one, if I can't add the one, then your method. If I can, then my method.
Yeah, good job. What if I go for 3 digits? Can it be still easier for you?
No, I can't do that.
Yeah, it's easy. Do you want to know how?
Mm-hmm.
So either I go with this or I would go with this. I would go with this, so I would take it 130, and
Mm-hmm.
then it needs 2, and it needs like minus this will be 132. And I simply know like 13, 13 to the 26, and then this 2 will be added.
262. Yeah.
This
Oh,
one
this
was
is
easier
so
for me.
hard.
Yeah, that is hard. But this is how we can just, because this side like we have 32 and this side we have like 30. So I simply get this like this number, I grab it. I know the table of,
162. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah.
yeah, I know the table of 13. So that's how it is becoming possible. But if it this is not the case, for example, if it would have been this number, then what would I have done?
I
Then I
can
would
still
not
do
have
that.
applied. Hmm?
I cannot do that.
But we can do it with the kind of tricks. Like I would still go with 130. Okay. So
Yep.
this would become 142, right? In my
142.
mind.
And
Yeah.
that's 272.
Yeah. Good job. You have done it. Actually, you are able to do it, but it feels like it is being difficult
Yeah.
by seeing the number. Okay. What about this? Wait. 157 and then 127. Mind 130 and then it would be,
The
yes,
answer is 290, 284.
good job. So isn't it become easier? Becoming easier for
Yeah.
you? Yeah.
Yeah. Can you
Don't
like scroll down now? But I
Yeah.
can't really read
Uh,
it now.
don't be afraid seeing the question. Just try to understand the pattern.
Can
Hmm?
you not do 4 digit?
Yeah, I can do 4 digit too.
No, no, no. Can we not do 4 digit?
I guess that is not needed in your case too, because
Because it's filling up my brain. Too much information.
no problem. Something more I would like to ask. Can you do this?
11 times 11 is 121. 121 times 11.
Oh, wait,
No, but
wait, Prisha, I would tell you the same method for this as well.
yeah, there's a trick.
Yeah.
There's a trick where I can only do 11 times if it's like 72. Then you do then you put 7 and 2, and then 7 plus 2 is 9, so you put 9 in the middle. So that for that 72 it would be 792, but I only know that for 2 digit.
Hmm. So what would be the multiplication for 1 to 1 and then?
I don't know. I can only do 2 digit times 11
But I was
with that.
telling you something different, which I told you earlier. It was not
Uh,
that method.
okay.
Hmm. So this is something like, listen to me very carefully, otherwise you'll miss this.
Mhm.
So what I would do, I would just multiply this. Sorry, I would just multiply. I don't ever like going with this method because I hate it. I hate this personally. I hate this. So what I would do, mm, I would simply wait. I would simply multiply this number with the first digit, that first number that is standing at hundreds, and this is standing at tens. This is standing at ones. I hope you know that already, right?
Yep.
So I would go with that method. 11 1 ja 11, then 11 2 ja
22.
22, and then 11 1 ja
11.
11. So simply like this would be 1 3 because I already know that, and this would be 3 once again, and then this will be 1. Do you understand anything or not?
I don't understand this part.
Like this I have added, so it has become 13, right?
Which have you
13
added?
for time.
What two numbers have you added?
This one into it.
So you've added these two numbers, which get 33.
Hmm. Because we can always have one digit this side, and here also we
So,
can.
but you wrote 13, so
I wrote 13 because 2 and 1 is added, then this is 3, and
this
then
is
once,
confusing. I don't get this part.
no problem. So this is the number we got. Is that true?
Yeah,
Till here you understood?
yeah.
Now the concept is we cannot have two digits in these sections
Mm-hmm.
here, except this one, last one. Except this side we see like left hand side. Except the
Mm-hmm.
last left hand side, we cannot hold two
We can
digits
have two
in a
numbers in
box.
this
We
because this
can
is the tens.
No, this doesn't work in that way. That would work if I write this number like this. Um, so that would become this thing. But I don't want to make it like look like this. That would be more complicated for me.
Oh.
Okay, I understood what you mean to say. You mean to say like 11 1 ja 11. So I would write 1100, right? And 11 2 ja 22. So I would, this is tens, then I will add 0. And then 11 1 ja 11. I would add no 0 because it's ones.
No,
That is
I
a
do not.
scary. That is a scary.
I do not say that. That is
Okay,
wrong.
you did not say that. So that cannot be applied in this. That is a different thing.
Mm-hmm.
So this is very simple. This is the trick which I have invented. 11, 22, and 11. So how I see this, the rule says that we cannot hold two digits in this side in each box, but except this one, this side we can have the last left side. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So what I would do, I would just give this extra 2 to this number. So it would become 13. Is that true? But still, what is left here? This 2 is left here, right? We have given this 2 to this number, but this 2 is left, right? Prisa. Prisha,
Yep. Yep.
did you understand? Wait.
So 11 plus 2 is 13. 11 plus 22 is 33. Where did you get the last one from?
11 plus 2 is 13, and then this 2, and then this 1 is 3, and then this one is here.
Nope, this is not right. This is a total confusing question.
Where are you stuck? Let me know.
Like this part.
Yeah, that's what I'm explaining. Wait a moment once again. So this is 11, 22, and 11. So I said we have to shift this number, this extra to this side. So is that clear that when we shift this number, it will be added into this one?
Yep, so it's
1 and then 3. What about this? This can be written here, but this is extra. So this would go this side. Now what would be the next number?
11 plus 2.
Not 11 plus 2. This number will go this side.
1
This,
plus 2.
yeah, 1 plus 2 is,
3.
and then this is remained. So what would be there?
1. Okay, I got it.
This is my way of solving. I don't know because any number I can take, this would help me. Even I may go with this. This is easier for me. I can also tell you the answer mentally. How would I tell you answer the mentally? What do you want to see that?
Mm-hmm.
So
Can
the
you like
answer,
scroll down?
okay. So this is the number. I can solve it mentally because you may take time. I already told you I hate this method because it
Mm-hmm.
drains my time. Hmm?
Yep.
So I would use the same method and it would help me like see how mentally I'm doing it and I'll check the answer with calculator. So 15, 1 ja 15, and then I know 15 3 is a 45, so it would be 19, and then 15 1 ja 15, it would be 45, then 6, and then I know 15 1 ja 15, and then that is 6, and then there it would be like this. Let me check if I'm doing correct or not. My answer is 19. Yeah, that is correct. Press, are you there?
Yep, I don't get it.
Um, how much time did I take to solve this?
1 minute.
I guess less than 1 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my method is same. I would just multiply in this first. So this is 15. This is
Yep.
this is function of my brain. And now I'm going little advanced. I just want to check this method. Like 15 3 is a 45. So I will give 4 to this and then 5 here. So this was what I was doing in my brain. So I gave 4 to it. So I wrote in advance 19. Now I would check this 15 1 ja 15 1 ja 15. So I would get 1 to this, 1 to this because 15 1 ja 15, 1 would come here. So I wrote 6 here. And then in advance, I just solved this as well. I gave 1 to this and then
Can I tell
1.
you a better way?
Yeah.
Can you give me another question and I like see if I can do it? Like, can you give a lower number so I can actually the table that I actually know, like 12, because I
hmm
can't do it if it's not.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna see if I can do it, or else it's gonna be no use. So, is this the answer?
You are using this method, and I'm using this method, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, this method is okay on paper, but this method is not okay when you are doing it mentally because you do not tell answer like this. You may forget in long questions.
Yeah, right.
So this is called mental math. This is called paper math.
Yeah, I can't do mental math using that way.
Hmm. Because this requires practice. So
Mm,
you may try like 11 twos are 22. Look how I'm processing. 11 twos are 22. And in advance, 11 sixes are 66. 22
mm.
6. 2 8 and then 6. 11 twos are 22. 2 8 8 and then 2. I know this is difficult, but when you practice, this becomes easy. So 11 twos are 22. 11 6 jar 66. 11 2 jar 22. So I just gave 6 to it, 2 8. I gave 2 to it, 8 and then 2. This is what. So you can do in the beginning like this method you can go and then you can balance giving this digit. Can you try this question with the same method? Not mentally, but you may write this thing on paper. This one. 235 multiplied by. Use this method if you can. This one.
Oh,
Yeah. Now check the answer with this method.
okay. I forgot that method.
I would revise it. 11 twos are 22. Then I have added this slash.
Oh, okay. So can you scroll down so I can just like um
Hmm.
yeah. So um 24, 36, and 60, and then I don't know. Oh yeah. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What? 24 plus 3 is 27. And 66 plus 6 is 12.
Now
And then
there's
0.
two digit. No, no, this is wrong. Now this time there is a trick because two digits cannot be written. So we will give one to this once again. This
So it's going
one,
to be 282.
yeah, 282. Good job. Good
Yeah.
job. This was a little tricky than that.
Can we stop now?
You're tired.
Yeah.
We can change the subject if you want.
It's because, like, our school was up to 6 o'clock.
Okay, no problem. So let me just give you homework. You're sleepy, huh?
It's because I've got a cough.
Are you feeling drowsy?
I don't know what that is. Because I have a cough, I feel down. Like, I just don't feel right. Tired.
Actually, I wanted to go with ratio and proportion too, but you're tired. If
We
you
can do
have
it.
30, you want to do it tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hmm. We have to be much stronger for some of the things. So for homework, which subject we should pick?
Verbal.
Which book?
Uh, second row, last one. No. Wait, can you go down? Can you go down? Yes, so the first one of the last row. Yes.
So what did you do in holidays, Prisha?
I was just at home, like,
Sorry,
relaxing.
you just relax. Where is your friend, Kitty?
What kitty?
Kitty or kind of toy? Or I forgot. Like last time she was taking class with you.
Oh, right.
What's her
She's
name?
sleeping.
What's her
But,
name?
Bella.
Bella. Oh, you just woke her up. She has
Yeah.
been disturbed by you.
Yeah, she's sleeping now.
Bella. So what do we call that Bella? Like a teddy or something like that?
A cat.
A
Cat.
cat. So I was saying kitty. That
I
was
think
true.
it's test 23.
Kitty can be the name for the kid of cats, right?
Yeah. Yeah, 23. Yep. Okay.
Let me take a screenshot. You may also take a screenshot if you want. I'll be sharing
Uh,
it.
mhm.
Apart from this, shall I give you some questions for practicing square root and cube root?
Yeah.
Mm.
You can
And
send the group.
yeah, I'll be sharing that in group. Take the screenshot of this too as well.
I did. Yeah, I did.
Wait. Yeah. So I'm sharing these screenshots in the group, and later on, I'll be sharing one more homework that will be related to maths, that will involve the questions related to squares
Uh huh.
and square roots and cube roots. Because I guess square is easy for you, the
Uh,
simple
yeah.
multiplication. Square root and cube root I'll be giving. That is okay, right?
Yeah.
Up to how many digits can you solve?
3.
For
Uh, okay.
you may try. Okay. So three digits, 2 digits, 3 digits, and 4 digits. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.